After being assigned the job of restoring and renovating the lobby area, Bris Vegas couple Will and Carly discovered some of the columns had been covered in lead paint.
We go into CRYONOMIC. We're a professional company who strips dangerous chemicals, so like lead-based paint.
Although banned in the late 60s, lead paint would have been used in most Australian houses up until then. So it's advised, if you're renovating, to take special precautions when exposing yourself to this nasty toxin. And seeing as the block was built way back in the 1920s, it's no surprise there has been a discovery of lead paint in the lobby.
So we've got to be very careful when we're dealing with lead paint. Lead's a neurotoxin. It can affect your heart, your kidneys. You've got to keep lead out of the environment best you can.
In order to remove the lead paint safely, CryoPrep secures the area by heat sealing a tent around the columns.
I thought I was in some sort of sci-fi movie.
It looked like a contamination zone,
Yeah.
like biohazard or something like that.
Some sort of weird aliens that have been locked up for a few years or something, I don't know. And then they started getting on to work to removing all this dangerous lead paint.
And after a few hours, it's ready for Will to inspect.
There it is, mate.
That is beautiful. Like the original, I reckon. You can just feel that texture to it as well. Done a fantastic job, looks amazing, and I'm really glad that it's done professionally and safe.